Okay, alrighty then. Well, first let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained their CDLs. I'm glad you made it. I told you can do it. I'm gonna show you something, and this is how I back up. You know, a lot of people are confused. So I'm gonna use two cameras. I have my GoPro and two cameras. So one on my head, of course, and that one looking at me. So then I always make sure that we're clear. No traffic. Not a lot of traffic before I start performing my maneuvers. I open my window so I can hear what's going on. Sometimes it's good to have other people yell out like, yo, be careful. So that's why you bring down your windows so you can hear in case if you hit something, you know. Now, I use to swivel. This right here, what I do is before I even start backing in, you need to be free of obstacles, or you know, you need to have room. So I like to push my steering wheel forward, right? So I can have room to play with, you know, room to perform my maneuvers. Now this swivel here, a lot of people has it, a lot of people don't. Some companies allow you to, some companies don't, you know, but I have a little small one. It comes in handy, and the reason why I have it is because it helps me a lot to push this rig, you know, to perform my maneuver. Now I always gonna be leaning out the window like this, so then one hand will control while I'm performing my maneuver, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do this maneuver. There's nobody out here but just me, and I'm just looking for a spot. Come wide. I always come in wide and get in tight. So right now there's plenty of room down that way, which is good. So here we go. I always try to come in close. Come in close, that's what I'm doing. Now let me see what I have here. This is perfect. We're gonna go right in here. Yep, we're gonna go right in there with it. So what I like to do, I like to count 3 and then go as far as I can to reach out. You know, the wider the customer lot is, the better it is for you. But either I count 3 slots, 3 containers, 3 trees, whatever, you know. And these sizes are the standard size, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. So again, this is where I'm going at. So I count 1, 2, and this is 3. And what I like to do is I like to put my front bumper at the edge. Okay? So then when I come in tight. You see how close I am? So then I like to put my front bumper at the edge of the last trailer. There's no trailer, but there's the line there. And then cut to 3 o'clock. All the way to 3 o'clock. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's perfect. And then straight. Straighten out till you reach 12 o'clock. That's my 12 o'clock. Right there, you can stop your truck, pop your brakes, and I want to show you what you want to see. That's exactly what you want to see. See that? And what I like about this is that you see the lines on the floor? It's even better, man. Because sometimes you come to these customers and you see this line there on the floor. That's perfect. And right there, you want to try to line up your tandems to get in here, you know. And once you make it almost here, and then you go ahead and you keep an eye on your tandems and of course the trailer or container. So then there we go. That's perfect. So then what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to start cutting in to close my gap in. And this is, you know, it's perfect because it's nice and wide. But when these lines are painted on the floor, they're even better. And if they're not painted, try to look for a stick or something, you know, to guide you in, you know, as a marker. Okay? So yes, we're gonna go ahead and perform this act. Let's get in my truck. Okay, now the swivel. The swivel, it's here, and this is where I set it up. I set up my swivel here on this side, because when I lean out, this is how I do it. So let's go ahead. There we go. So then, right now is the open. So then I'm gonna close the gap. Once it starts going, you see it? Now open the gap. Close it. You see it? Now you open the gap. You see it? Now you close the gap. Now you open the gap. Open the gap, you see it? There you go. Now you see how it keeps going? So then just pull forward. Open the gap. That's perfect, right there. Now what you do is, you open the gap. Close it a little. Open. Close it. Open. See? Open the gap. Close the gap. Open the gap. That's it. See how easy it was? It's perfect. See that? That's perfect. You know? See? That's perfect. You got plenty of room. And there it is. See? That's perfect. But that's how I do it. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. All right? What do you think about that? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. God bless.